Hi everyone, welcome to another video on the Wigan and Bolton Railway electrification scheme, just at deep pit at the moment. Now in my last video, I couldn't actually get the drone up because it's one of those days that we have in winter where it looked fine on the way here, but it was foggy. So just having a look now, doesn't look like a huge amount of progress at the moment. So just looking down, I'm on the asphalt side, looking down towards the actual deep pit lodge. It's all fenced off still. It's pretty much the same as it was last time I came down. So just looking here, this is the new section that the bridge is going to be sitting on. So I'll do a little bit of a zoom in. You can see there where they've lifted the bridge and put the new sections of steel in just to lift it higher. Now zoom back out, see here where they put the actual wall up, which is going to be a retaining wall. So I'm guessing eventually all that's just going to be rebuilt. I've read online also, with being part of England Heritage England, whichever way around it said, all the sets, the cobble sets are going to be put back in place, exactly what it were. So I'll go around the other side, have a look at it from there. So still on the asphalt side of the bridge, but I'll come around to the side that's closest to Hindley Station, so Hindley Station's behind me. Not the easiest one to get to here, because it's literally, you look at this everyone, it's right in the trees here. So just having a look at the bridge here, it's on the same side as the last clip. See there, where the new sections put in place. So the wires are live now. Just go around these trees and I'll have a look at it towards the Hindley side. So just looking towards the Hindley side, that is where originally the ramp going up would have been. All completely and utterly gone now. So I'll do a little bit of a zoom in. Sun's out, so I don't know how well you can see that. We're never happy, are we, in Britain? Sun's out, we complain about it blinding us. Not out, we complain we want it. So it's pretty much the same situation on that side. Don't know how well you can see that with the sun, etc. Yeah, so generally speaking, it doesn't actually look on the ground much progress. I'm happy to be corrected. If anybody knows more, pop it in the comments. So don't think there's any point sending the drone up because it's only stuff you've seen before in previous videos. So I'll just end this one there. I'll keep an eye on it anyway, and hopefully over the next few months some more significant changes will come into place with the ramps going back up and it be reopened to pedestrians. Anyway, if you can like, subscribe, etc., I'd really appreciate it, and I'll catch you again on the next one. Thanks everyone.